Good morning. My mom, Rafi, and I are here at Roxborough State Park, and we're going to do Carpenter Peak. I've never been out here before. This is already awesome. Loving it. Yeah, I think we're looking at roughly 6.5 miles for the hike in total. And I think it's got like 1,200 foot vertical elevation gain. So that sounds good. It's right up our alley. Official start time, 6:16 in the morning. This is really reminding me of Arches National Park right now. Look at the rock formations. Very Devil's Gardenish. We're here at the visitor center looking for the bathroom. There it is. Right over here by the Coco Pele. It's the Coco Pele bathroom. Wow. It's crazy. This is like, I don't even know what this is like. Utah meets Boulder or something. Looks like a crazy Flatiron or something. Yeah, this is epic out here already. I'm loving it. But you do have to stay on the trail because they have a lot of rattlesnakes and poison ivy. Yep, see right here, they got the warnings, poison ivy. So from what Rafi was telling me, this hike starts out pretty easy, but then it gets a little more challenging up towards the top. Carpenter Peak, baby. That's what we're going for. This is crazy through here though. This is awesome. All these little trees and stuff. Beautiful. All right, trail split. We're gonna stay to the right, take it on over to Carpenter Peak. And this is really beautiful through here. We got this nice trail to walk on. I am loving it. Please help preserve the beauty of Roxborough. Stay on the trail. And from here, we're looking at 2.7 miles. Difficulty strenuous. We've been hiking for 30 minutes, and we made it up to the first break spot here. This is beautiful. It kind of looks like Garden of the Gods over there. Yeah, we're on this nice little 500-foot vertical section going up, going from about 64 up to about 69. And then it should flatten out a little bit. And we're gonna take it on over to the summit, which is right around 7,200. So we're looking good, guys. We're knocking it out. We're getting up there, folks. I think this is gonna be Carpenter Peak right out here. All right, we've been hiking for 1 hour. We're at just about 6,800 vertical feet. And according to the GPS, the summit is 1.1 miles away in a straight line. Whew. I think we're gonna get a little break here at about 6,900. Looks like it flattens out a little bit. This place is really cool out here. It reminds me of if the Devil's Backbone and Garden of the Gods had a baby, and then Boulder and Utah had a baby, and then those two babies met and had another baby, it would be this. According to the GPS, we're sitting at 6,860. And like I said, the summit is right around 7,200. So we're looking real good, guys. We are looking good. I'm loving this trail too. Really nice. All right, that's gonna be Carpenter Peak right there. But it looks like we've got a big down and up section we're gonna have to deal with. Yeah, there's nothing that connects over there that I see. We're going down. All right, guys, we're almost up there. According to my GPS, we've got less than 200 vertical feet up to the top. So we're looking real good. This is a beautiful trail, very well groomed. I think I've said that 3 times already, but you get the point. And so far, we have not seen one other person out here on the trails. Not one. This is awesome. What a great hike. Final stretch up to the summit. Starting to pick up a few little white flowers now. Oh yeah, we're just about there. I can hear the wind. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Just about there. This is gonna be it. Awesome. Sweet. New summit. Oh, this is really cool. And I've got a feeling that this summit is probably crowded most of the time. We got it all to ourselves. Amazing. And these are the views from the summit, Carpenter Peak. I'm not even sure what I'm looking at over here, but I'm guessing those are probably some mountains near I-70. Got Chatterton Lake. You can see Denver out in the distance. And I guess most of this here is Littleton, Colorado. Like I said, I'm totally out of my element. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. I just know it's pretty. This is epic up here. And then right down, well, I'm not even sure, but down here somewhere is the parking lot. This was a really nice hike to get up here. It took us an hour and 48 minutes. So that's not too bad at all. My GPS has got this at about 3.3 miles out. A little windy though. It's a little windy. And real quick, I want to give a shout out to Rafi for suggesting this hike. He is a supporter of the channel. And he was like, hey, have you ever done Carpenter Peak? I was like, no, never even heard of it. So then I Googled it. It looked like a good one. So we met up and now we're here. All right, I just looked at Peak Finder because I have a signal on my new S24 phone. And that's gonna be Meeker Longs sticking up way out there. Then the one kind of in the front of it to the right is Mount Morrison. You can also see Haig's Peak sticking up in between. Wow. It's just now 8:30 on the nose. And I think we've been up here for 20 minutes or so, really not sure. But it's starting to get a little cold and windy. So it is time to go. It's time to head on back. All right, let's do it. Let's take it on back. And this should be a cakewalk on the way back. I'm thinking it's going to take us maybe an hour and a half. I had never heard of this park before. Roxborough Park. A day at the Roxborough. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. When my knee goes out and I fall down. It's a little bit muddy through here. We got a little bit of the Campbell's Thick and Chunky going on. This is a real pleasant hike. The stats really aren't that bad. You're looking at about 3.3 miles in each direction with roughly a 1,200 foot elevation gain. But the trail is really nice. However, let it be known, you do have to pay $10 to park. I'm not sure if the 5K is picking up all the bugs, but they're a little thick out here right now. It's like they all woke up. Oh, this is ridiculous. We got another patch of open section, which means more bugs. Close your mouth. We're starting to see a few more people on the trail now, but not many. On the way down, we spotted 2 deer. He's coming this way. He was coming this way. We got 2 bogeys. And we're back. It's just now 9:50, so that took us an hour and 20 minutes to hike down from the summit. It took us an hour and 48 minutes to hike up there, and an hour and 20 minutes to hike down. Looking at about 6.5 miles on that hike. All right, high five, we got it. Boom, boom.
That was beautiful.
We're driving back to my car. I parked it at the fire station. And that way we only had to worry about 1 park fee, which we didn't have to worry about because Rafi had the pass. So we're good. But yeah, guys, that was a fun little hike. Hope you enjoyed it. And until the next one, y'all, peace.